What's going on, everybody? My name is Sam. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, start now by subscribing and clicking that notification bell so you can be up to date on new content that comes out. So you're ready to begin your YouTube journey. You're ready to start a YouTube channel. And by all means, it's a great thing, to find a platform to express yourself, to show people who you are. It's the best thing, you guys. But let me give you just some basic instruction for beginners, okay? Because I'm a beginner myself. I'm learning every single day, through the mistakes I'm making or watching other YouTubers who are successful. I'm trying to draw inspiration from watching them. And so the one thing I can tell you in the beginning to do is don't quit. You're not gonna get all the viewers, all the subscribers, in the beginning. So don't stop. Continue to make videos, continue to give value, and that's what people are looking for. Continue to be yourself, because when you are yourself, people are going to be drawn to you, okay? So that's what I'm here to do. I want to show you guys how to start a YouTube channel step by step for beginners and show you some of the mistakes I made, hurdle that I had to overcome in the beginning. And I haven't been a YouTuber long enough to give this. By all means, I am not an expert. I just want to share my experience with you guys. And if you're looking for somebody that's going to give you some insight and somebody that's going to give you the truth, then by all means, this is the channel for you to watch, okay? So let's begin and dive in with the number one thing that you need. So before you begin your YouTube channel, you want to pick a topic, or what they call basically a niche, okay? Or a niche. You want to go ahead and figure out what is it that you're going to teach to the viewers, the people who are going to be watching your video. What value are you going to offer? And those are important because in order for you to answer that question, you need to ask yourself, what am I good at? So those things will help you to decide what type of niche or niche you want to go ahead and be in. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and let me show you how to start a YouTube channel properly. And the first thing that you want to do is sign up for Gmail. So that's the beginning part, you guys. If you don't have a Gmail account, you need to sign up for Gmail. And you can always go to YouTube and sign up through by signing in, and then or you can go to your Gmail right here, and let me show you. You can always go to Google account.google.com and then create new account, and then click for myself, and then fill out your first name, last name, and then it's gonna create a username for your brand if you want, put a password, and then or just create a Gmail account and then sign in with it. Okay, that's one way to do it. Another way to do it is just basically to go to, let me show you, go to YouTube like that, and then when you get to YouTube, sign in here. And if you have it, once you sign in with that, you can basically just go to your profile picture here and then click right there, and then go to where it says my channel, your channel, and then go to your channel, and then this is where it's going to take you. But yours is going to be blank. There won't be nothing here in the channel art or your channel icon, which is your profile. There won't be anything in there, and you won't have anything filled out in your about. So you need to upload a channel picture. How do you upload a channel picture? All you need to do is just basically click right in here and then select a photo that you have already ready for. If you don't have one, then I'll show you. There's other videos I created where I show you how to make a channel art. Watch those, okay? And then you just basically select it, hit open, and once you do that, it's going to show you what the channel art looks like. It shows you desktop, TV, mobile, and then you just hit select, okay? But since I have mine selected already, I won't. That's all you have to do. And then to your profile picture, you just click on it right here, same thing, and then you hit edit. Then you just select a photo that you already have, okay? It's simple, not very hard, you guys. You can always do this yourself. But some things I want to show you, some settings that a lot of YouTubers don't tell you to do is your about. You need to fill it out, okay? And to fill it out, you just need to go to where it says customize channel, in order to customize your channel. Like if you want to customize your YouTube art, you hit customize and then you just basically hit this pencil. Same thing with the profile picture and your about. There's a pencil right here, okay? So if you click about and then there's a pencil, you just click it and then it's going to allow you to make the changes. You know, things you want to put in here, I discussed them in other videos. Make sure you guys go in there and watch it also. And then if you want to put an email for your for your YouTube account, YouTube channel, you can put that in there. If you want to go ahead and put social media links also, which shows up right over here, you guys, then all you have to do is click this pencil right here and it's going to allow you to put up to 5 of them. Okay, so that's very, very easy to do. It's not hard. And then the other things I wanted to talk to you guys about is, like your settings. There's a few more settings. If you go into your Creator Studio, you can basically go under your settings right here. It's going to say General, Channel, Upload Default. The Upload Default is basically what you upload with every single video. So you don't have to keep filling it out, cutting and pasting. And so that's why it tells you upload right here. And the channel right here, you can put, your basic information. Your advanced setting, it has, a few things in there that you should look at. Make sure you guys take care of those. And your branding, you see this little thing, it shows up on every video. It has to be a square, 150 by 150. Make sure you guys also hit entire video. So while the video is playing, it's going to be in the right lower hand corner, okay? So make sure that's taken care of. And then your upload default, it's just basically things you want to put in there. And then always also for visibility, when you're uploading a video, put it on private. So when it finish uploading, it's on private. If you need to make changes, it hasn't gone public yet, you guys. Okay. So those are some basic things that you need to do before, you go ahead and upload a video when you start a channel, you guys. Okay. So those are some of the things that you need to do. Let me see what else I can show you on here. If you need to upload a video, it's right here. You just basically, where it says create, upload. If you go live, you have to wait 24 hours so that YouTube can allow you to do that, okay? That's very simple to do. Let's see what else. Your monetization, it's right here, you guys. And you won't be able to get monetized until, just like me, since I started my YouTube channel, you have to get 1,000 subscribers first and then 4,000 watch hour in a single year, you guys, okay? So those are some things that you should look at. If you're looking for audio to use in your videos and stuff like that, these are non-copyrighted. You can use them and YouTube will allow you and they won't flag you, okay? If you need sound effect, they're right here. It's very, very, very simple. So if you need to go back, it tells you right here, just go to Creator Studio, return to Creator Studio. The older version is called the Creator Studio Classic. It's still being used, but it's being phased out soon. So make sure you guys are on the new one so you can get your analytics are right here. Under analytics, you'll see your overview, reach, your engagement, your audience. It shows you by gender, age, top countries. There's many things on here. If you want to see your comments, they're right here. Your videos are all in the same place. So it's becoming very, very simple to use, you guys. It's not hard, but continue to make sure the settings are completely filled out for your channel before you upload a video, or people won't be able to see your videos and stuff like that. So the settings that that needs to be correctly filled out, those have to be filled out. If they're not filled out, then you're going to be just basically uploading a video and not knowing that nobody is looking at your videos and stuff like that, okay? So here, make sure you go through some of these right here, your home, your videos, your playlist, your channel, and discussions, and your about. But your about is very important. And then also make a trailer when you first start your channel. After you upload your channel your channel icon, make sure you make a video trailer to help you, just letting people know, welcome to my channel, and then it's just, you know, inviting them and telling them what your channel's about, you know, what you're going to be, you know, showing them and stuff like that. So it's a good thing to do that. Let's see what else I can show you on here. I hope this helps, and if you find any value to this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to, you know, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell right next to it, and hit all, select all when it pops up. And make sure you guys leave a comment if you found any value in this video. And if you're a new channel, you know, I hope I can help you. You can leave a question. You saw my email. It's right here and right in about. And then if you go to where it says, you know, view email address, you can click on it and you can send me an email, and I'll be happy to answer your question. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope this helped, and see you until next time.